Hey everybody, it's Christopher Travels Homesteading with Kelly. How you doing? We're doing great. We hope you're doing great. I just wanted to show you some updates around the homestead. One update is, ooh look, Carol is kind of sleeping. Carol, Carol, what are you doing? Dang, it was just not windy. I tried to film this and then it was too windy, you couldn't hear me. But, yeah, Carol's white now. She doesn't have any yellow on her anymore. But I just wanted to show you, Carol. Sorry if it's too windy. This phone sucks. Anyway, new people who are here. Oh, there she is, spreading her wings. Oh, I don't know what they're doing. Anyway, Kelly painted the coop. She's not done yet. But, and then a curve-billed thrasher family built a nest here just recently, so they're gonna have babies soon, I guess. But here is the red door, and Kelly painted all that. And then we left this side natural. So I made that out of pallets. Ooh, it looks so good. They did a good job. Who is walking over here? There's Koya. There's Carol's pond. I forgot what kind of goose Carol is. But we have 2 well summers, 2 cuckoo Morans, and 3 blue Wyandottes. Also, I want to show you that we got running water. Oh, today was laundry day. I had to do some laundry. Quit. What you doing? Look at those beautiful eyes. Yeah. Oh yeah, let me show you. So I hooked us up with some running water in the new building. I'm making a video. This is our 275 gallon water tote. We fill this up at the city. The city has a fire hydrant. You need a key for it, and you can log down the gallons you take. Anyway, so I have this water hose. It goes to the front, right there. And then it comes through here into this pump. And then from the pump, I have PVC. And then PVC going inside, and then PVC, this is going to a hose that we can get outside. Before I go inside and show you, I wanted to also show you, because monsoon season started, this is because we don't have gutters yet or some totes. What we've been doing is we put these back here and we're just gathering water for plants. And also this right here, we found this tub and we just put it on these blue totes here. Ooh, that almost feels like it's full almost. You can't see the water. But when that's full, we'll flip this around and put the drain in this hole and fill this one up. So yeah. And also, this is a construction site still, so I'm still in the midst of making everything, getting places for things. As soon as I pay off my car and the barn, I'll be able to do some more, projects. Oh, I also wanted to show you Kelly's garden here. And by the way, Kelly has a YouTube, and you can find her commenting on people's comments on my videos. So feel free to subscribe to her. She puts out some shorts sometimes, and she logs the things she's doing around. And but this is her corn. It's looking pretty good. And I forgot what that was called. Cushaw. That's what it is. And Brussels sprouts. She tried green beans over there, but something ate them. So, and the turtles come around here, so we gave them a little pool. We find turtles in there. Probably every few days we'll see a turtle. Oh yeah, let me show you the inside. The inside running water. Oh, and Kelly has some stuff growing out here too. Okay, so this is our water setup. So it comes in from outside there. And I just need to fill that in with some gap sealer. And right now we just haul the water out, but eventually we'll have a gray water filtering system. So the pump is plugged in to this cord that actually has an on and off. So when it's on, we can't really hear it, so we have that light on it. And it's got some really good pressure there. And I made this out of galvanized here, and a lot of our stuff is galvanized like this. And we made this rolling drawer, and this one rolls too. And then I just put these up today with the galvanized piping here. You can order those on Amazon or eBay. Just look for galvanized shelving, I don't know, holders or something. But I think it's pretty awesome. So now we got running water inside here, and yeah, we had this on like up there, but it broke, and I don't know. I'll have to get something that works good, works better with that. So I guess that's it. We'll go back outside because it's so beautiful. Just a little breezy, but it's beautiful. So I wonder if you can see me. Hey everybody! Anyway, I hope everyone's doing great and live life to the fullest! And Kelly has an Instagram as well, so I think it's Homesteading Kelly, or something like that, Kelli. But I don't know, you can ask her in the comments. So, okay, see you soon! Live life to the fullest! Bye!